Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first video in a new series I'm calling Cleaning Conversation, and this video will include a PayPal giveaway, so stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel today, I just want to say welcome and I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3 from Louisiana. And as a person who has managed several anxiety disorders for over 20 years now, I have a real passion for helping you create a clean, calm space for yourself and your family. So if that type of content interests you, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, now that I've introduced myself, I want to briefly explain how the cleaning conversation works. Each cleaning conversation video will focus on a specific topic. I'll start the conversation while I clean up my messy house, but the conversation doesn't end with me. I want you to continue the conversation in the comments, and I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions on the topics we discuss. I think this will be a fun way for us to build community and get to know each other better as friends. So only comments made within the first hour of the upload will be entered to win $10 via PayPal, so make sure you have the bell on for your notifications. And my hope is that the PayPal prize will grow along with the channel, and hopefully we can build a community around these videos and have some fun conversations as we get to know each other. And don't worry if you missed the window on this one. Please still share your thoughts and opinions on the topic. I'd love to get to know you better, and you can always enter to win on the next video. I'm going to be doing these from time to time as a way to give back to you guys. Also, if you have any questions about products I'm using or where I got something that you see, please just ask. I'm more than happy to share that with you. Today's cleaning conversation topic is favorite YouTube channels. So I'm going to talk about some of my favorite YouTube channels, and then I want to hear all about your favorite YouTube channels in the comments. Also, if you yourself have a YouTube channel, please let me know about it in the comments. I would love to go check it out. Okay, so here are some of my favorite channels. These are in no particular order, and the list is by no means exhaustive. These are just some of the channels that I enjoy watching. The first one is Jamie's Journey. So just to let you guys know, I've only been watching YouTube for about 2.5 years now. I was looking up videos about IVF because my husband Tony and I, we had gotten married later in life, and I wanted to research the possibility of having a child together. So that's kind of when I found YouTube. So I found Jamie's video about her IVF journey and I subscribed. Then she ended up becoming a cleaning channel. So she's actually the first cleaning channel I ever watched. I love Jamie's channel because she is very real and honest and never pretends that things are perfect. She shares her struggles, and I don't know, she just really tries to show her real life, not like a perfect version of her life. So she's a mom of 3, she has 3 girls, she lives in Ohio, and her cleaning videos are very, very motivating. So lately she's been doing a lot of decluttering and organizing too, which I really love. Hit that like button now if you love Jamie's journey too. The next channel I want to talk about is Phil and Alex. This is another channel I found while searching for IVF videos about 2.5 years ago. So at the time I found them, Phil was a pastor and Alex was a NICU nurse, and they had been struggling with infertility. So now they're full-time YouTubers, but they had adopted 2 beautiful little girls, and they were trying to do IVF to have a 3rd child. The wonderful thing is they just gave birth to their daughter through IVF, so this is their 3rd daughter, and it's just really been an exciting time on their channel. These guys have been through so much, and I love their optimism and I love their hearts. They always bounce back from everything they go through, and they even started a nonprofit organization so that they can help fund adoptions and IVF procedures for couples struggling with infertility. So if you love Phil and Alex too, hit that like button now. The next channel I want to mention is Lenny's Love and Chaos. Now, Lenny and I found each other very soon after we started our YouTube channels, and I could tell right away her channel was really, really special. She always shares right from her heart. She's a mom of 3 and she lives in the Netherlands, and when you visit her channel, you're going to find cleaning motivation, parenting encouragement, delicious dinner ideas. She can cook like nobody else. Really good routines, productive routines, burnout management. You're gonna fall in love with her personality, I promise you. She has been such a good friend to me here on YouTube and has been so supportive. And go check out her channel, you're not gonna regret it. She is awesome. So hit like now if you love Lenny's Love and Chaos or if you plan on checking it out. Something you guys may or may not know about me is that I'm kind of a huge psychology nerd. So I love psychology, I love personality profiling, I love criminal profiling and true crime, and just kind of like why someone might do a certain thing, like what it is about them that made them do something. So I love personality analysis and anything like that I'm a huge nerd about. So the next two channels are kind of a reflection of that. The first one is, his name is Dr. Grande, and he's a psychologist who talks about a variety of mental health topics. He also does personality analysis of famous criminals. So a lot of the true crime shows that I watch, he will analyze the personalities of those criminals. So that is totally fascinating to me. He profiles pretty much any criminal that you can think of. So anyone from Ted Bundy to Jim Jones, topics like narcissism, psychopathy, cluster B personality disorders. If you love psychology or personality theory, or if you like true crime or true crime analysis, make sure to check out Dr. Grande's channel. He is very to the point, matter of fact. He's very informative. He does a ton of research and then he gives an analysis, and it's so fascinating. So if you're into that, I would definitely recommend his channel. So hit like now if you like Dr. Grande or if you plan on checking him out. And the other psychology channel I love is completely different. His name is Frank James, and he is a comedian. So he does comedy sketches of the MBTI 16 personalities, and it's so fun to watch to see if you can pick out your own personality in the mix. He is so hilarious, and whenever I need a really good laugh, I always visit his channel because I'll usually lose my breath laughing at that stuff. It is hilarious. So MBTI is like the Myers-Briggs type indicator. So there's 16 personality types, and so you're either extrovert or introvert. I think it's intuitive versus sensing. There's different ones, and you take the test and you find out what you are. So if you know what your Myers-Briggs personality is, please let me know in the comments. I always find that so fascinating. I happen to be an ENFP, which is extroversion, intuition, feeling, and perception. And my husband is an INFJ, which is actually the same type as Frank James. So if you love Frank James's channel or plan on checking it out, hit like now. The next channel I want to talk about is Amy Fritz. So if you haven't visited her channel yet, make sure you head on over soon. What I love about Amy's channel is just how relaxing and beautiful her videos are. I always find myself smiling and feeling like happy and relaxed after watching any of her videos. So Amy's a mom of 3 from Georgia, and her special skill is decorating. She has a beautiful gift for just choosing decor and making every space look so pretty and put together. She decorates in kind of a modern farmhouse style, and she always inspires me to just be more creative. So if you love Amy's channel too, go ahead and hit the like button now. Thank you so much for allowing me to share my favorite YouTube channels today in our conversation. And remember to comment down below some of your favorite channels as well, including your channel if you have a YouTube channel, so we can continue the conversation. And remember, if you comment within the first hour, you'll be automatically entered to win the $10 PayPal giveaway. But if you missed the window, please comment anyway. The main goal is for us to be able to get to know each other better, and the giveaway is just to kind of make it more fun and give me a chance to give back to you guys guys for participating. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today as I cleaned up the house. That is a bonus that I was able to get some good cleaning done. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.